Let's look at changing the subject of or rearranging harder formulas. I have made another video on rearranging simpler formulas, so I'd recommend you watch that one as well if you're not so confident. Example 1, make x the subject of the formula, and then we've got this. I'm just going to highlight where the x's are. You'll notice that we have two x's in the formula, and that's what makes this one harder. First thing to do is to expand out the brackets. When we do that, we'll get this. 2x plus xa equals bx plus 3b. You'll notice I've made the problem worse because now there are three x's. But with these types of questions, the problem gets worse before it gets better. Next, I'm going to make sure that anything that has an x in it is over on the left-hand side. So 2x plus xa minus bx equals 3b. So now I've got anything that has an x all together on the left. Reason for that is now we can actually factorize out the x. Open up a big bracket and you can put 2 plus a minus b in there and then have 3b on the other side. Now we're almost there. Just to get x on its own, we just need to divide by that new bracket. So x would be 3b all over 2 plus a minus b. And x is on its own, so we're finished. This is the trick really with these types of questions. Factorize to get 1x. Example 2, make x the subject of this formula. And this time we've got an x here and an x there. First step, let's multiply up the denominator. So we get a brackets 2x minus 3 equals 4 plus 2bx. Got an x here and an x here. Next, let's expand the brackets. 2ax minus 3a equals this. Here's an x, here's an x. Next step, move everything that's got an x over to the same side. So I'm just going to put it on the left here. 2ax minus 2bx. And then I'm going to also move the negative 3a over to the other side. So it becomes 4 plus 3a. Now I've got all the x's on the same side. That's great because I can then factorize. Factorize the x out, and that's the trick here. It means we can have 2a minus 2b in the brackets and then 4 plus 3a here. Final step, divide by the new bracket. So x equals 4 plus 3a over 2a minus 2b. And that's it. That's it for now. If you found this video useful, please do remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And do share this with anyone else you think might find it helpful. Thanks and see you next time.